She was like, cause you, I was like, yeah, how'd you know? Because I do too, because my brother does that.
Yeah, he asked her.
So what can you say about that?
Yeah, I think so.
Galing mo, buddy.
Hi guys, I'm with my friend AJ and with my friend Charles Law. What are you doing, guys?
Yun ang gusto ko, no?
What's up, guys?
We're so bored, guys.
Type shit. Where the hoe is at?
Good evening po. Hey Michael Keith, I'm with AJ
What's up, Michael?
and
Keith?
your co-member Charles Law.
Sino yan?
That's Michael Keith. Oy,
Michael.
you're
Keith.
taking pictures and you send them over my way. Oh, you really thought that can ruin my day? You go around putting this character up for display. Are you alright?
Guys, stream nyo yan
Shout out,
paglabas.
James.
I'm not gonna say any dates, but you guys should abang-abang.
Yeah, you should abang-abang.
Bro needs help.
What you saying, bro?
Ay, crop top to, no?
Yeah,
Gusto mo?
yeah, no.
You don't like it?
I don't like it,
Why are you
bro.
wearing it?
It's kind of comfy, bro.
Damn.
Hello, Robin House. How are you, guys? What's your boy group? This is AJ. This is Charles.
Tinatanong niya ano boy group as
Kaya
in
nga,
K-pop.
alam ko, pre.
Ah.
Wait lang, may ano tayo. Parang may...
English pa, English.
Huwag na, bahala ka.
Hindi, pre.
Bahala ka.
I'm
Yung
serious.
nagalit na. Hindi, wag mo nang pilitin, pre.
Hi, LR. Okay lang. Yo, what's up, EJ?
Michael Keith andito ba yun? Who's that?
Don't know.
Magsali ka nga random peeps.
Magkaka-BL series ka pa.
Yeah, me and him.
Taking pictures and
Good night.
Like how
Like how
big,
big?
of a hug can you get? How big?
Oh, sorry. Man, pangatawanan niya yung English niya. Alright, bro. What's up? Excited kami for Sunday. Okay, pupunta kayo ah.
Ano yun?
Yung ano, bro. Our runway.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm inviting you guys to go to our runway.
Yeah. What's up?
Shout out, Val. Sino kasama? This is AJ, my
AJ.
friend. And Charles is
Charles-
kind of busy.
Charles Law.
Hi, guys.
Daming gusto ng season 2.
Lungkot ko kanina kaso cancel na. Ba't sad ka?
Kiss ka daw. Yun.
Pwede kami hindi pumunta. No.
You have to go, guys.
Mm-mm.
Support Robin.
Mm-mm. Good evening. Wait lang bro, wala nang energy na English eh.
Kala ko uwi ka, gago.
Hindi pa ako nakauwi bro. Kasi
Yeah,
it's
we
late.
we out here because it's been late.
Yeah, it's kind of late bro.
Robin has like...
Hi Jared, how are you bro?
Did you attend the Pride though?
No, I didn't. Kasi may workshop kami nun eh.
Yeah. But we love you guys, the Pride.
Yeah. Love you guys. Hi, lalo na kay Charles.
Ikaw yung nakita.
Sino yan?
What's up, Flo G? What's up? Musta na?
Shout out Robin.
Required ba pumunta? Yeah, required. Yo, shout out, Chloe. Hi, Sir Mikey. I'm with Charles and AJ.
Charles Law.
Charles
AJ
Law.
Brizzy.
AJ Jersey.
Ano ba last name mo? Ferrer, no? AJ Ferrer.
Go na. Let's
Ano
go.
middle name mo?
Shoot na tayo.
Yun yung middle name ko.
Yung J?
First, AJ, first name and
Di
last
pare,
name.
ano yung J?
Jadid. Jadid.
IG reveal sa katabi ah. This is
Yeah.
AJ.
What's up?
Bakit alaw Charles sa screen?
Charles daw.
Anong alaw? Ah, wala.
What's aloe?
Wala. You...
Hi, guys.
Balik ta rin mo, bro.
Ah.
Ang
See
saya ng
you
buhay ko.
30. See you po. Siya din ba daw? Ikaw mag-makeup?
Sino ba?
Require ba maging gwapo sa circle of friends nyo? No, wala naman pong gwapo sa amin.
Si Kuya Robin lang po.
No.
Only Charles lang.
Yay, may tatambayan ako na live.
Sa
Hi,
ano
Ate
po?
Jing! Andyan. Yan, andyan siya. Hanap ka nga ni Kurt eh. Chloe. Si Chloe nga po pala guys, classmate namin sa workshop.
Saan si Chloe?
Hindi, Jan Burley. Ikaw makeup artist ni Robbie, syempre. The best makeup artist. Mikey.
Sa I love
Paasa
you.
ka. Kurt. Kapogi mo, Soy. Legit ba? By the way, ate ng Philippines, yeah. Let's go, bro. Let's speak in English, bro.
Yeah.
Cause I'm with my English friends. That's why I'm speaking in
Charles
English.
Law and AJ.
The best. Mikey, yeah.
Skincare of Rabin is just water.
Yeah, my skincare is just water. Look. Ang dami
Water.
kong kati-kati, oh. Kasi hindi ako naghihilamos.
There's a lot of itchy on his face.
Yeah. That's why.
A lot of pimples.
Yeah. How are you guys?
Sa TikTok, nag-live ka.
Yo! Zaki!
Who's that?
DJ from Pampanga, bro.
We're going there.
Yeah. Yeah lang nasasabi ko kasi ang galing mag-English ng mga tropa.
Rabin told me Pampanga is lit.
Yeah, Pampanga is lit, bro. Hi, Febby.
Nairaos. Ano yung nairaos?
Nairaos. I
nag-
don't know.
Come over.
No. Parang nagawa na
This guy.
nagawa niya na parang parang ganun.
Come over.
Ba't wala ka kasi bigote? Nag-shave ka ba or laser na all? Meron na patubo. Sinishave ko. You're taking pictures and you're sending over my way. Oh, you really think this shit could ruin my day? Ganyan buhok ko, pre. Alam na alam pagod ako eh.
Pagod na tayo.
Cute na roll mo sa isang daddy. Super slay. Slay. Ganda na roll ko dun, pre. Yan na siya, slay.
Ano roll mo dun?
Ano ako, pre? Parang batang MC mo.
Gay?
Layo mo sa akin, Pampanga ka pa. I mean, Paranaque, guys.
In Charles Law's home.
Birthday ni mom ko later. Kaya uwi ako tomorrow.
Paano magka-baby face?
Ano magandang gift sa mom ko? Sige, comment kayo. Pinayagan na kami magbibigay ng gift eh. Wow, may pag-gift na naman. Thanks po. Ayun, fresh naman. Nino, siya? Oo, syempre. Si AJ yan eh. Tulog na kayo. Nah guys, we don't wanna sleep. We just got home. Yeah, man. See? Spokening dollars na ako, guys. Mga kasama ko, look.
Charles. Kita mo si Charles.
Yo.
See? Diba? Umarap lang may yo. Ako pag ako yung nag-English, para akong anong tawag dito? Para akong rapper na taga-Pilipinas. Maangas yung English ko, tol. Hey, Bobby. Ay, hindi Bobby. Flo G. Si Flo G, maangas mag-English eh. Necklace if she wear.
Ano daw?
Okay, necklace. Gift sa mom ko. Pa-advance na lang kami kay tita pa sabi happy birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Sana makiss.
Kita kahit sa biceps lang.
Halika, kiss mo ako. Halika. Pwede ka na mag-US. Kaya nga, Ki. Gusto ka na, Ki.
Who's that?
That's my friend from Pampanga, bro. Shout out. Wala na ba part 2 Bill series nyo ni Tommy?
Meron.
Feeling ko meron. What mo kanyan kaya ka mamasa. Hi Al. Musta ba? Hi Rafa, how are you? May new classmates ako, si AJ and si Charles Law.
Kapogi naman.
Si, kapogi mo daw, bro. Sa akin live to eh. Di sa, doon ka na manood. Joke lang po. Hindi, pogi kasi siya eh. Last na to pa shoutout ako.
Ang...
Good night, Angel.
Angelix.
Good night, Angel. Sleep tight. Good night, Cup of
Cup of
Joe.
Eh.
Nag-aaral ka pa ba sa how? No.
Baby
Magsasalot
face.
ang magubad. Ingan natin ka, I wanna be more than you. Good night, Aunt CJ. Kay salod sa kong dughan.
Watch it.
English only. Aight, bro. Aight, bro. Good night.
We only like accept English comments.
No.
Basta hindi ay.
Ikaw ang hinahanap ko.
Basta hindi ay.
Puso isip ko ay hawak.
Basta
Good luck
hindi
daw.
ay.
Good luck. Nangangaling na ako, guys.
Ako mag-awak para sa'yo.
Aight, bro. Aight, bro.
Ano gusto mo, Angelo? Gano'n?
No. Yan lang.
Just like this?
Yeah.
Alright,
Good
bro.
night, Robin House.
Ikaw nga mag-hawak pa rin.
Yo, wait. I gotta read this.
My bad, bro.
Sino?
So, yun nung nakaraan story ni Ryzen nung mag-close pala kayo. Yeah, best friends kami since
Sino?
anong year ba yan? Basta ano pa lang, grade 7 kami.
Sino daw?
Wala yung classmate ko before, bro. Chichika pa kayo sa GC? Tamang English yung ngayon pag chikaan nyo. Robin Night lang.
Follow niyo IG ko. Robin House.
Robin
AJ Jersey.
Ayun, dinrap na niya yung IG niya, guys. Follow him. Tulog na, may good night dyan. Good night. Hi, Bea. How are you? Diba? Ang haggard na namin kasi kanina pa kami umaga nagpo-workshop.
Masipag kami.
Sipag kami, guys. Sipagan nyo din. Let's go. Kahit sa sadness, sasaya pag nag-good night na eh. Good night. Ako din. Good night, Ate Jane. Ba't ang pogi mo? Hindi na siya?
Ikaw daw ba?
Ikaw nga, pre.
Ikaw, eh. It's your liar.
Hi, Chardy.
Ano Charlie?
Yes, Chardy,
Hello
bro.
po.
Hello Charlie.
Excited na kami sa 30. Asa na broadcast channel? Oo nga, I forgot. Sobrang busy kasi, guys. Greetings from Saudi Arabia. Hi, Chardy.
From Saudi Arabia.
Wala pa eh. Wala pa upcoming BL series.
Antok ako. Sino yan?
Don't know, bro. Hi, thank you. Shout out.
Hi Aviona.
Angeles Zal. Hi, Aviona. Ganda nung Pedro Penduko, need na next sequence. Yeah, pag
May next pa ba yan?
Oo, pag may part 2 yun, guys, maganda buhayin nila ako ulit dun, tapos maging malaki akong kalaban kasi pwede yun kasi namatay ako na parang nakaharap sa camera. 'Di ba? So parang may chance pa mabuhay. Tapos ako yung magiging kalaban ni Pedro. Ay, nakwento. Joke. Hindi ko pa alam, guys, ano story ng part 2. Pero may part 2 daw yun. Good night, good night, good night, good night. Pinapatulog nyo na ba ako, guys?
Namin na nag-good night.
Okay,
34
okay.
viewers
Sige na,
na.
tulog na kayo. Good night, guys.